Grapes. Banana.
A
A flower. What's Mommy doing?
flower.
Hi, Mommy.
A picture.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
A flower.
I took a shower, yep.
It
What
always
you
makes you
doing?
feel better.
Cold.
I'm a little cold.
It always makes you feel better.
Mommy, cold.
Yeah.
What's up?
Hi, Mommy.
Hi. What are you doing?
Yeah. Show her. What's that?
Grapes.
What's
Grapes.
that?
Banana.
What's that?
Apple.
Jack-o'-lantern. You're right. What's that?
Truck.
What's that?
Car.
What's that?
House.
Cloud. What's that?
Rain.
Rain. What's that? Lightning.
Leaf.
Storm.
A door.
A storm. And what did you draw over here?
Nail.
A balloon. You did it! She drew a balloon. Yay! Okay. What can I draw? Oh, and what's this? That's his tooth. He's only got one. Okay, let's give him a nose. You're right. He needs a nose. There he goes. There's his nose. And he's only got... Yeah. Yeah. Jack-o'-lantern. There you go.